Good morning all. We are in London today, southwest London, working on this Mercedes. It's having a 3-stage carbon clean preventative measures. Drivers, or the owner's a Uber driver, so he does a lot of driving around the city, so wanted to look after the vehicle. Therefore we're supplying our 3-stage carbon clean. That is the hydrogen machine, which is presently pumping hydrogen in through the air intake to burn up the carbon. We've already used our 3rd stage chemical clean, which, a lorry going past, which breaks down the carbon and the oily gunk on the EGR. That's the soft gunky stuff before the hydrogen machine attacks the dry hard carbon, and an injector cleaner just to make sure that the injectors are firing nice and cleanly, which reduces further carbon build-up. Price of this service, £149.99. That includes a full diagnostic as well, just to make sure that the vehicle's in good health before and after, and takes approximately 45 minutes. So if you need our services, we also supply DPF cleaning, we supply remapping and diagnostic services along with the carbon clean services. Please drop us a note below or on Messenger, or give us a call on 01293 769495. Many thanks. Have a great day.